School, all closed. Hot Springs Schools, you're starting 2 hours late. Hill City, you are closed. Hermosa, closed. Hemingford, closed. Harding County, starting 2 hours late. Garin, Family, Medicine, Residency Clinic, Faith Schools, Fairburn School, Eastern Wyoming College, all closed. New preschools, you're starting at 10. Douglas, Dakota Radiology, Custer YMCA, Custer Schools, all closed. Crazy Horse, no school. Let's see here. Shadron, Career Learning, Shadron Schools, the Career Learning Center, Rapid City closed, Canyon Lake Senior Center closed. Cancer Care Institute, Campbell County Schools, Cavalry Christian, Black Hills Workshop, all closed. Black Hills Christian, closed. Black Hills Spearfish University, BHSU, closed. Belle Fourche, starting 2 hours late. Behavior Management, closed. Banner County, American Horse School, both closed. That is the full list, and I will not be reading that one again. I'll just be doing schools the next time around. That is all of your closings. Go online to hot931.com, click on weather, and go to closings and cancellations. It'll give you everything you need to know. That was brought to you by Dakota Bank.
When your identity is stolen, it'll be scary, expensive, and embarrassing. How will you handle identity theft? To feel safer when traveling or shopping, Dakota Bank customers rest easy with ID Reclaim. Get ID Reclaim with a Dakota Bank Visa check card, Visa credit card, or online banking. And it's free. Why pay for a service that won't restore your good name? As a member FDIC, Dakota Bank is here for you with free ID Reclaim. To reduce fear and worry of identity theft, come in, call, or click.
Today's hottest music, the weather forecast coming up next. 93.1 and 104.7.
Sometimes I get a